easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind. Just watch me breaking your sweat. You're falling into me, touch me, I swear. You would do anything that I want, so keep us awake till the dawn. Baby, feel free. I wanna make you sweat on me. I wanna make you sweat on me.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you might be new around here. I realized I didn't really have an intro to this video, and I'm sitting down to edit it so you get this lovely face. My son turned 4 and we had a construction themed birthday party for him. He loves construction vehicles. He mainly got that love from watching Blippi. If you guys watch Blippi, or if your kid watches Blippi, let me know in the comments down below. But he is like obsessed with construction trucks of all kinds, so that's what I wanted to give him for his birthday. And I checked Walmart, Target, Party City, and Kohl's for construction themed birthday items, decorations, balloons, even a t-shirt with like construction vehicles on it. I did find some at Target, but they were all like baby stuff. The biggest size was like 5T, and even though my son just turned 4, he's in like the small size, like 5'6" in the little boys section. So I had to order his shirt from Amazon, so I will link that down below, along with the stuff I found from Amazon, which I will share with you, some decorations, some balloons. We did fill the balloons at Party City though. You can do that, bring in your own balloons, or you can buy a tank at Walmart or Party City and fill them yourself. And I also couldn't really find a construction cake or anything, though this package did come with little picks. I could have put them in cupcakes, but upon Googling things, looking at Pinterest, and also Kim from the Wads shared a construction themed birthday party in like November, December maybe. And she did the same thing with her cake, where you just put like a truck on it, and then you put like Reese's Pieces and Reese's peanut butter cups to look like gravel and dirt like falling out of the back of it. So that's what I did. So I got my cake from Sam's Club. So I just kind of pieced together things and labeled our food in a cute way so it kind of tied in with the theme of construction. And we got some cones from Walmart, I believe. So again, I'll try to link what I can from Amazon, at least down below. But I thought I would just share it with you in case you're looking to do a similar theme or you need some ideas. I'll also throw in some pictures from his birthday party as well. I didn't get a lot of video, but I'll put in some pictures as well. So let's go ahead and get on into the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is wash all of his construction vehicles that we have so I can use them as decoration. Also, some of them are going to be going on his cake. This truck, this guy, and this truck here were outside, so there's like dirt and some grass on it. The other toys and all of these were in his room, so I'm just going to wash them in the tub so that way I can use them on food if I need to or whatever. I'm gonna use really warm water. I'm also gonna put in a little bit of some vinegar, and then I also have some Palmolive dish soap in here. So I'm gonna put that in there and just leave it, you know, pretty much all day long. I'll come back and drain the water and rinse everything really good and let it dry. And Dixie has joined the party.
Jump into the car on a Friday night, I wanna drive with you. Looking for a bar in the nearest town, I've never seen a sky so blue. We don't ever play it and the night is young, it doesn't matter what we do. There ain't nobody like, there ain't nobody like. You look so beautiful, and I'm
so that's done. I added a little bit more soap. Can you guys already see like how dirty the water is? That's not only from the dirt, but just all of the other germs. Ooh! So these are all the decorations that I got from Amazon. There are balloons in here, latex balloons. There's a really big truck. I don't know if it's a fire truck or like a work truck, but that's a really big balloon we got as well. We're just gonna take those to Party City the day of and blow them up. It came with some of these cute little like food picks, so I'll have to stick those around places, but they're really cute. I think this is a garland. It's just the construction stuff. There's another one, or maybe it's this one. One of them says happy birthday, and I think one of them is just trucks. I'm not entirely sure, but there's two garland band thingies. There's these plastic things. There's two of these plastic things. I have no idea what those are for or what they go to. And then there's just some little signs in here, construction signs. So I'm gonna start putting this stuff up on the walls and whatnot. So I realized I didn't bring you guys along to really decorate like I thought that I would. We just kind of started. Matt and the kids were helping me, but I'm currently finishing up some signs that I'm making. This particular one, I'm gonna write porta potty and stick it on the bathroom door. I made some other signs that I'm gonna put up for like obviously decoration and stuff, but I just printed these out. I had to cut them out. So I'm just gonna stick them on here. And some of the signs that I was gonna make myself came in here, like dig in. I'm gonna put by the food and then dump gifts here, which is really cute for obviously the gift table. So I'm glad that package that I got from Amazon had some of that stuff already, so I didn't have to make as many of my own signs, you know?
I saw the city passing by my window. Was in the crowd, but I felt so alone. Looked at my phone like every other second. My future was blurry and numb, a tunnel where there's no light. Oh, but then you came and sat right next to me. Your eyes, they glowed and filled me up. We had never met before that time, but I just knew that we'd end up. You took it, you took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. We jumped off the subway leading nowhere. Your warm hands rubbed off the cold around me. I heard you say that everything is alright, but how did you know how I felt? You saw right through me that day. I was lost in space, but you pulled me down and wiped away those cloudy thoughts. I could see the sky when you were close to me. I can't believe what you brought. You took it, took away my loneliness. Oh, I know it, I know it. You're making me wholehearted. Together, together is always better. I don't want to be parted. You're making me wholehearted. You're making me wholehearted. I will always remember it. How you turned everything around. I will always remember it. How you got me off the battleground. How you got me off the battleground. Yeah.
So this pasta salad I'm making is very, very easy to make. My sister-in-law shared it with me. I made 2 boxes of the garden rotini noodles off camera, and then I added in a bottle and a half of Italian dressing, the Wishbone brand, and then I put in about a can and a half of black olives and a whole bunch of these mini peppers. I just chopped them up pretty small, but not small enough that people that didn't like peppers couldn't pick them out, and just mixed it all together, and it was really, really delicious. Very simple. You can always add in onion or jalapeno if you want to. Take out the olives if you don't like it. You can adjust it and kind of tweak it to what you want. Oh, and I did put in shredded cheddar cheese as well, and it was a hit. It was really, really good. So I just wanted to share that simple, quick, easy recipe with you. It is a crowd pleaser.
I was at the wrong place at the right time, 'cause suddenly there you were with those bright blue eyes. We were conversing under the night sky, when you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder. I wanna laugh out loud, talk a little deeper, kiss a little harder, love a little louder, love a little louder. We went to a small bar with neon lights, talked about everything that was on our minds. Talking to you gave me butterflies. Then you took my hand, said let's leave now. Don't wanna be shy, I will let my guard down. Don't wanna be shy,
Why you wanna let me go, nah, nah, now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know, nah, nah, now. 'Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back. When were you gonna tell me that? What am I hearing? It feels like a heart attack. Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible? Possible. How could we let love go? How could we move on? time. Tell me now if you want out. What are you saying? Come on and spit it out.
So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Maybe it gave you some ideas for your own birthday party, or even that pasta salad recipe you could try with any party, or even just for a Sunday evening or whatever. I know this was a little different than what I normally do, but I just thought it was so cute, even though, you know, nothing was perfect, especially my handwritten signs, and, you know, the cake maybe could have had a little bit more candy on it, but I still thought it came out really cute. Beau was really happy with it, and you know, it was his birthday, so that's what was important. I would love it if you would follow me on Instagram or Facebook if you are not already, and also subscribe down below and hit that bell so that way YouTube actually notifies you of when I upload videos. I have recently changed my schedule to be Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday at 12 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So be on the lookout for those videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next time. Bye!